How to clean the pressure roller for the Epson C6500. Residue buildup on the pressure rollers may occur after continued use. Proper cleaning will minimize buildup and prolong the life of your printer and its parts. Confirm the printer has been turned off. Open the paper cover. Raise the blue release lever. Remove labels from the paper path. Remove the media spindle. Lower the paper feed roller. Open the front cover. Using the adhesive side of a label, dab the contaminated roller to remove the buildup. Reaching in from the back of the printer, rotate the roller by hand to continue exposing the buildup to the cleaning process. To maintain high print quality, it is recommended to inspect the rollers regularly and clean them as needed. In extreme cases of buildup or contamination, use 70% isopropyl alcohol and a cotton swab to gently clean the roller. For more information, please refer to the maintenance section of the CW-C6500 User Guide. This procedure can also be found in the Epson C6500 Technical Reference Guide.